Hey guys, and welcome back to the Fans Perspective, and that is right, another week, another match day vlog. In today's video, we've got a massive one for you. We are back at Wadham Road for Cheltenham versus Derby County. Now we know Derby is a massive club with a massive fan base and are putting a massive shift this season. They're in 4th place on 41 points, and in comparison to Cheltenham's measly 28 points sat in 18th place, it's a big difference maker. We know Derby should not be in this division, but you know, Derby are in great form. Obviously, they've got 0 losses in their last 5 games. And then once again, comparing that to Cheltenham Town, we've got 1 win, the win against Shrewsbury. If you go into the bookies odds, you've got to put your money on Derby. Realistically, if you're a betting man, it's 3-4 for Derby. And I believe it's 18-5 for Cheltenham to get the win. So the bookies are against us. Some of you guys do have hope. I put the question to you guys, and 40% of you thought that Cheltenham would get something for this game, which quite shocked me, to be honest. 7% think it's a draw, and I believe 53% of you think that the away side will get 3 points. I'm on my own today. It's not the best. Obviously, Finn's not here, and my dad will be coming to games from me very soon. I've got a big announcement to make for you. I'm going to make it in a separate video, and we should be getting some tickets for Oxford versus Ipswich as well. Obviously, this is the point where I've got to put in my prediction, and I never get it right. I'm always optimistic for Cheltenham, and they usually do let me down, but I'm going to go with a 1-1 draw. I think we're going to score. I'm excited to see the new signing, the Stoke boy. I believe Goodwin. I really hope he's in the starting lineup. The lineup's coming out in a second. I will come back and I'll speak to them. They come out in about 10 minutes. I'm a little bit early making this intro, but yeah, like I said, I'm excited to sell out. I've heard Derby have a great fan base, and yeah, let's get to the ground. In the ground now, as you can hear from the Derby away fans, and yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the lineups haven't filled me the most confidence. I didn't realise the strength of Derby squad. When you've got Mendes Lang and Conor Hourihane, you've got James Collins, McGoldrick, and many others, and once again surprised they're in this league. Obviously there is a key reason why, but I'm not going to change it. I've still got to stay with the confident the Cheltenham boys. I think the new boy is going to get a goal, and I'm going to go with a 1-1 draw. We got competition today. We got another vlogger, to be fair, who watches videos. Future Josh. Oh, here we go. This makes my day feel even better. I can't believe it! It's only taken 1 attack, about 2 minutes, terrible balls into the box. William Sirk is a brilliant work, kick into the back post, and we've got Callum Taylor. What a header! We're taking the shot lead. Come on! Seems like the momentum seems to be dying off for Cheltenham now. Go on! One to his right. Bollocks. There you go, 7 minutes in, the game's level. I say it'll be 1-1, we've got 2 goals in 11 in 7 minutes. It's pretty much a carbon copy of Cheltenham's goal. The kick ball into the box, and the lovely header. I think it was Hourihane for Derby. Keeper could be doing better, but it bounced under him. We didn't expect to score against Derby, so 1-1 in 7 minutes, I guess we'll take that. I can't even complain. If you're going to go 2-1 down, you might as well go 2-1 down to one of the goals of the season. I think I just about got it, but what a strike. I think that's 3 goals in 10 minutes. I've watched that goal back. What a peach of an effort. It's 10 minutes in. I've seen more goals than I expected to be for the game. It seems like Derby have taken control of possession. I've been keeping an eye on Mendes Lanky on our side. He seems to be having our defenders on strings. In or out, if he goes wide or if he goes central, he seems to be keeping the ball and getting the ball into the box. So we've got to seem to neutralise him if we want anything out of this game. Dirty challenge for the Derby defender. He had to take him out, otherwise Broom was through 1-on-1. The referee spits out a slice of cheese. I don't know, it's the last man. It's a potential red there, but not given. We got lucky there. We tried to attack Derby, we tried to pressure a bit too far back. They won the ball, a few mistakes in the Cheltenham defence, but lucky for him, this Cheltenham's on the 15 made up for it. Decent challenge out for a corner. Half time. It's nice to see Cheltenham have a little charge and surge to try and get a goal at the late in the half. We had a good start, but it's been all Derby really, hasn't it?
No, to be fair, we haven't really been in it. Since we scored, we haven't really been in it. We've had a couple of chances, but not much.
The last 20 minutes or so has gone quite fast. We can hope for another goal in the second half, but it seems like it's just going to be 3 points to Derby at the end of the game. Comical play for Cheltenham there. After made so to run back in their own half. It's a terrible pass. Defender lost it. The Derby man's through 1-1 with the goalkeeper, and he somehow puts it wide. We should be 3-1 down. Still high in the Cheltenham camp to fight Conor Hurahan getting a second in the game. Silly mistake from Broom. Simple, through the middle. All you can do is slide past the goalkeeper. 3-1, 54 minutes played. Like I said, unless a lot changed in that second half, we won't be getting anything from this. You know, it's been a decent performance, but at the end of the day, yes, again, it's sloppy mistakes that killed us off. 3-1. Come on, boys. Have a 5th goal in the evening, but it was chalked off for the linesman. It's not looking good right now. If I could give you one clip to summarise this entire football club, it's that right there. Over Big save from the goalkeeper and even better clearance from Long. Hey, look, we had our moments. It's probably the best I've seen Cheltenham play in a very long time. We've had heart, we've had determination, and we've left it all onto the pitch. But yeah, it just seems like Derby's quality is a bit too much for us. We've got a few minutes left, but go on.
Well, Cheltenham!
I'm Cheltenham till I die. I know I am, I'm sure I am. I'm Cheltenham till I die. Cheltenham till I die. I'm Cheltenham till I die. And that is it then, guys. Just leaving one road now, and the full-time result: Cheltenham Town 2, Derby County 3. But I think you have to take the result with a pinch of salt. It's not very often I can walk away with a loss and be very proud of the performance. In the first half, you know, it could have been better. We did get that early goal, but the second half, we really turned on the jets. We put in heart, we put in determination, and I'm proud of all the boys. Yes, it was a few silly mistakes, but come on, at the end of the day, it's just their true quality. They got Conor Hurhan getting the goals. He's on 10 grand a week. Cheltenham Town just can't afford that. It just shows the disparity between the wage budgets and quite literally the size of the clubs in this division. But I'm quite proud of the performance, and if you guys were proud of it as well, you guys do enjoy the videos, remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when a video goes live. We're in London tomorrow to watch Chelsea versus Crystal Palace. Yes, we're on the way to Stamford Bridge, and Crystal Palace are in decent form despite losing the cup to Southampton. Chelsea, on the other hand, I think it's 1 win in 9 or 2 wins in 9. Potter is under the ropes and seems to be selling a lot more money, so I don't really know what's happening at Chelsea, to be honest. It's a very confusing club. Like I said, might be going Oxford next week, depending on if I can get the tickets, and there's a very big announcement video coming out soon for probably the biggest game of football that I've ever been to. And let's just say, a little bit of a snippet, I've been waiting to go there my entire life. But yeah, if you have any questions or queries, drop it down in the comment section below. How do you think the boys played? And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.